Welcome to Taiwan. Today, Taipei's going to show you how to take the airport MRT from Taoyuan Airport to downtown Taipei. Let's go! Even if you arrive in the middle of the night, there are buses available. After entering the terminal, just follow the blue lines on the floor to the bus stop. If you pre-ordered a SIM card online, you can find the pickup counters on the way. After passing the counters, you'll arrive at the bus ticket area. Right outside is the boarding area. You can find the correct bus based on your destination. If you have the budget, you can book a private transfer or take a taxi. Just follow the yellow lines on the floor. Cross the street, and you'll be there. However, the most cost-effective way is definitely the Taoyuan Airport MRT. Look for the Metro MRT signs, or follow the purple lines on the floor. Take the escalator downstairs. You'll reach the MRT station entrance right away. Next to the entrance, you can buy MRT tickets at self-service machines. First, select your language. Then, select Taipei Main Station as destination. The default is one ticket. Last, choose your payment method. You can also buy IC cards here, using the blue machine nearby. You can purchase one for 500 new Taiwan dollars, including $400 top-up, so you can use the card immediately. After entering the station, look for Platform 2 with trains heading to Taipei. Don't get on the wrong train.
Mind your step and do not let go of your luggage.
Be sure to take the Purple Express train. It only takes 35 minutes to reach Taipei. The waiting time between trains is usually short. Trains depart about every 15 minutes. After lining up and boarding, if you have large luggage, you can place it on the luggage racks. The train also provides wireless charging, as well as free Wi-Fi. Don't forget that eating, drinking, and smoking are strictly prohibited on Taiwan's MRT system. We're now arriving at Taipei Main Station. After getting off the train, there are detailed signs everywhere. If you're heading to Taipei Main Station, take the escalator on the right to exit.
请握扶手，站稳踏阶。
After tapping out, take the escalators up to more levels.
请握扶手。
Then, follow the signs and walk a short distance. Soon you'll first see the taxi stand. Then you can continue toward the MRT or transfer to TR and high-speed rail services. It's super convenient no matter where you're going. All the promotions mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now, let's enjoy the trip. See you next time.